I'm here, Oga. This one original.
How much?
You see this one like this, now 30,000. But because say now boy to boy, I go leave her for you 20,000.
You be correct guy. I'll give you 10K.
Every morning.
I call your account.
36748934 GTB.
You say?
Trust Bank.
What's up guys, welcome back. I'm still your boy Sanesho. In case you're coming across this channel for the first time, this is a reaction channel. All with you, I will react to the best interesting comedy video from our friend medias and skit maker. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that any day we post a new video, you get notification. So guys, without wasting time, let's head back to the business of the day and have some fun. Let's go guys.
Songo Mbali nanga kasongo mbona wewe songa libala oh yeah kasongo mbona wewe mbali nanga
Oh God, sabinus. Never see anything.
Even I fashion, I hear they buy them. Don't take them here. The original
Ojukwublaq.
See, I'm here, Oga. This one original.
How much?
You see this one like this, now 30,000. But because say now boy to boy, I go leave her for you 20,000.
You be correct guy. I'll give you 10K.
Every morning.
I call your account.
36748934 GTB.
You say?
Trust Bank. I'm on a first bank to first bank. I fit transfer. You go collect. What people they complain? Give me cash.
Oh no, this is Chelsea. I didn't make me the receipt. I'll give me some flexi. Well, there's somewhere there in Chais. Okay. And I didn't know they fall in love with any girl. Oh no, what for your matter? I go poke the love I have for you to the world to everybody be like see.
Shaggy, is that so?
Is that so? This is power. Come, if not they go get jealousy spirit, you are the look.
Why not go get jealousy spirit for my body? See, I don't like sharing my mouth with anybody.
Yeah, no family. See, nobody be sharing with me. Flash here. This is where you talk on corner. I want you. You don't bust my head. Why Anna?
But Shaggy, wait too. You just say this is a small bike. Go fit carry this my big now.
You don't want this my back as you did like this. If you carry, I stand there family.
No problem. Okay.
Baby.
I want to see. Yeah. No problem. You don't start now.
Let me say to you. Calm down. Yeah. Wait a minute. Safety first. Yeah.
What type of plane is this? This is plane.
This bike they suffer. This bike. The bike they suffer.
Hey,
Jago.
You know what? Just stop me here.
I go stop here. Wait.
Not too cool.
Wait, I know that. Which one say make I stop you? You know see bike where I carry. This one a new NX bike, now original bike. And as you dey like this, you get strong suspension. Wey be say, if you enter any gallop, you no worry. Just dey with me. Oh yeah, hold me tight. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, really well.
Yes.
Oh yeah, bole. Betty.
You give me a smile, no come again.
Oh yeah, now I dey carry you go my house, eh?
This bike like the real MVP.
You want?
Omma, you make the journey dey smooth. I don't just gallop away from my area. I don't come feel am.
Feel it, filament. Tell me I don't tell you say new NX bike like the real. As you dey like this, you dey strong, you dey durable, you rocket.
You dey just fuel.
Fuel from where? As you dey like this, fuel where I buy inside 3,500, T5. Now I buy 6 last week. I stay
used to now. Are you serious? Shaggy, you know say you tell me say love me well.
Oh no.
And you can do anything for me.
Damn. Oh no.
Oh yeah, give me this your bike.
Which kind of big
Yeah, give me this bike so that I'll be easy to run errands and remember the love.
Who promised you love?
You know.
Me, I promise. Leave out. Me, I promise you. Make I give you my new NS.
Exactly.
Oh my funny how. Okay, you know what here?
Something way back.
Make it no be like say, I don't care about your safety. Use this one, guys.
Jesus.
For your safety, oh. Say how you be like Batman.
You can go.
Oh, I dey come.
Make her work hard, eh? Work hard, sweat. What carry the money give you when not a bit work?
I swear.
So, babe, you say you have a surprise for me.
Oh yeah, that's why we are here.
So, where's the surprise?
Here's a surprise. Why is that open?
Food.
Yes now.
Did I say I'm hungry?
Not only food you see here, you know Siri.
Are you serious?
Omma, from the bottom of my heart, will you marry me?
Jesus!
What they be this? Why they shout Jesus now? That be Jesus they propose to you. Now me they propose to you now.
I can't believe this. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I can't believe this.
Wait.
Hello, girl. You cannot believe what just happened. Guess what? My boyfriend just proposed to me.
I'm gonna beg, eat your food in peace, I beg. Eat your food in peace. Eat your food in peace, I beg.
I am so surprised. Look, girl, I am going to post this on social media. I'm going to post it on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook, everywhere. Okay, I just came outside. I'm going to call you back, okay? Just hold it back. I'll call you back. I really need to post this on Snap. I need to post this on Snap. I'll call you back. With my Snapchat. Okay.
Now what for you, bro?
Babe. Babe, why did you finish the food?
As simple as that.
I swear.
6 years of relationship, I say me can propose to you. You dey run. They shout Jesus.
Babe, we can see it again. Let's just try.
This will not be time of video. Get out! Get out! Get out!
And you don't even remain food for me.
So you be hungry. And you see Semo for this period. You carry leg them home. Don't worry, you go cry.
In fact, I'm breaking up with you. I hate you.
Who cares?
You the man. Waka.
Don't be this joke where you make a wait for you. I don't stand there. What did they happen? Indu baby.
Now you have to follow talk for.
I dey call you since you dey waste my time. What happened?
Baba, now they follow me the shot because of naira. No try am.
No be naira, la dollars.
Na dollar.
Na dollars.
Baba, if na dollar, carry am come no dollar. How many dollars?
You baby like $5,000. You don't know my guy they work for 5 years. Time don't reach to settle me, but the man they are broke.
Okay.
So like this morning, the man call me. Say he want send me $5,000. Now he start my life. Into baby, you go fit pick this money.
Baba, listen to me. My eyes are active like a shower. No be libido. Na transaction they turn us on. Carry the income, no the stress, baby.
The account.
Give am this one. This one I show US friendly as a
Sense, confirm.
$5,000. Baba, base me your cool down. Man, send them me cool down. Hey. Baba, get limit issue.
You buy war.
This man has only 4,009 if you run. But that one unless more just enter bank, man enter inside, man withdraw, convert to naira, paste you.
Sure, go bank again. No, you say you said it.
Baba, listen to me, rates don't change. I just enter bank, man go update my hazard. Not a stress, baby.
What they go the bank? What they go?
Jesus.
Boss. This one when knife they fall out from your jacket.
Don't worry, there's more where that came from. More they go.
Bro, just call your account.
No be you say more they go back. More they go now.
No worry. Just call your account number, beg.
If you no send that money, if you collect, but as waiting no good.
3344.
I don't run now. Jesus. Na slaughter now follow do business. God, I beg you. May this man no kill us.
I swear.
Come on here now. What be that?
I want to see what they are seeing now.
We are in business. We are in business now.
One man.
No big adults be this.
No big adults be this.
Me complace amarte, disfruto acariciar.
Come on here now. What be that?
I want to see what they are seeing now.
If you want to see, go drop money.
How much?
Bring money. They ask me how much.
This man.
Sorry.
God have mercy upon us.
Shake, please. I don't see anything here.
What did they see?
Not sure now.
Come to show now. Come to show. Invite your friends. Come.
Not go walk. No. Yeah. I must this.
You see corruption. Don't worry.
Say your eye dey like fork eye. So much wey never brush since last week. If I no go thief for another person's house, come on and ask, but I no go see food shop.
Jesus!
What you talk? I don't talk wetin I talk. Nothing you fit do.
Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
I don't mark your face for today. I go cash you, no. Don't cash me make I see you. I go cash you. I go boss you. I mean this girl get my custody. No worry.
I am more dangerous.
Joe! I don't remember Kuswa for Kusra again. I go Kusra.
Hey, mama, they go come back here.
But I leave you.
You fool, man.
Hey, and I never fool no sour and I never seafood chop. Are you okay? Fuck! When I mean with your mama, now you dey cost like that. Mama, beg, I don't know say na you. Now that girl I be won't go cost before.
And then will you go back inside or see some?
Mama, beg, make I go cost that. Calm down now, calm down now.
Why did you get last stupid?
I don't mark your face.
This can't you know something very soon.
I go see cost you my cost I won't cost. No, I can't even stupid.
Everybody don't craze, including me. Everybody.
He's running another test now. I still can't figure out what is making his body hot.
Doctor, please, I'm begging you. Just check. Please, just check again, please.
I'm trying. I just ran another test now.
Please, just please, just help him, please.
Guys, if you know say you no get fridge for house, don't even bother about buying SR. If you know say you no get fridge, you see that iPhone SR, no even bother buying that phone because when you buy that phone without first getting a fridge in your house, and that time where you go understand. Like I just leave my case for here. Guys, I believe you guys are enjoying this beautiful skit. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification button so that any day you post a new video, you get notification. So guys, we still have a lot of video ahead of us. So let's go back and continue from where we stop. Let's go, guys.
Come here. Who's chasing you?
Nobody.
Why are you not running like that? Did you people later do the test today?
Yes, we did.
Come here.
Why are you stressing my life for Christ's
Let me see the results. Let me see the results.
You are good play. Don't worry. You go cry.
19 over 20.
Yes.
You scored 19 over 20.
Yes, sir.
Are you serious? I'm proud of you.
Daddy, thank you for always reminding me to read. All those late nights reading really helped me. Thank you, sir.
You see now, Abby? Oh, yeah, take care. Come now. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.
It's your teacher now.
I already greeted him in my school.
My brother, so what do I owe this visit?
I actually came to talk to you about your daughter.
I know now. It shocked you, Abby. She shocked me too. I saw her results. Yes, now this guy made me proud. Though. She has really improved. She made me proud. Though. Did I tell you? I'm surprised, Abby.
Yes, you told me, but I want to ease myself.
Don't worry, stay here. Calm down, be at ease. Yes, so this girl surprised me. Imagine she scored 19/20 in her test. I'm surprised though.
So,
Hey! She scored 19/20. I'll bring the result. Let me show him. Bring it now. See it here now. She scored 19/20 in the test.
Informer.
Sir?
So it has gotten to the point where you are now altering your result. You are now a magician. You are changing things from one form to the other.
I don't understand. Magician like how? Is my daughter Merlin?
I wonder.
Can you honestly look at me and say you scored 19/20 in this test?
Wait, oh, my brother. Did you score 19/20? I said it. I knew something was fishy. I said it. Where? I call you split. I know. You scored 9/20. You now added one, Abby.
There's no add one. I added 9.
Okay, teacher, you said teach my daughter well now, eh? Teach her well. Sorry for yourself, idiot.
Teacher, don't teach me.
Oh, sorry.
Dubi, thank you so much for coming out for me.
It's fine.
See, as a matter of fact, I really like you. I'm not here for joke. Like when I say it, I mean it. I'm not like all these Lagos guys. I'm different.
I actually like you too.
Really?
Yes.
So does that mean you're gonna accept to be my girlfriend?
Of course.
Wow.
I won't have to go to the party alone.
I'm not for a person.
Yes, next tomorrow.
What is that?
It's actually my birthday.
Your birthday party is next tomorrow.
Yeah.
Format. What's happened?
Is everything okay?
Why everything go dey okay? Relationship we don't start today. Your birthday na next tomorrow.
Ojukwublaq, please.
I beg you. Me with my own birthday don't pass.
Put your belly in your family now.
You don't listen at all now. I don't the best.
Chibike,
Neighbor,
how many times I call you?
you call me 3 times. I can't wonder why you call me 3 times. You won't finish my name.
Where my house key? You carry my key walker since morning. And they call your line, you know they pick. You carry my key walker to God knows where.
You go vex now. You go to protest.
Go protest. What they protest for?
EFCC forcefully abduct person wey no do anything. So we go protest, say make they release am.
Chiki, your life don't spoil. Because that person where they arrest, I take concern you. Now your brother.
No.
Not they related.
No.
So what did they go protest for?
So because you know my brother, I know we go outside go protest.
You know concern, you know be your business.
It can happen to anybody.
Now this way they abduct illegally. You know what you do?
You don't do anything.
You know when I be thief? I'm also come out say you don't do anything.
You don't be thief. I don't think what I do.
I don't hear what I mean. Maybe I can answer this call. Hello? Yes, I'm the sister. Eh? Listen to my brother. Who is arrested? What's he do?
Go and ask your grandfather.
Don't
I
listen
dey come,
to
I dey
us.
come, I dey come here, nah. You just arrest my brother.
Why? Why they go arrest him?
I don't know. They say he don't do anything. They just carry him.
You know that ain't be thief.
Be thief. She be careful. Follow me. We will go to the police station.
Repeat.
Abeg.
Now my brother.
She be careful. Just.
Are we related?
I know, but most.
Fine, stop that.
Chibike.
Am I related to him?
No.
Do you know if he's a thief?
No.
Idiot. Hey, neighbor, wait. I beg you, as you go find your brother, if you just give me your house key, ma, open your door, warm soup chop. Come get the cash.
If you say something, they worry Abi. I say make we go to the police station. We'll go find my brother. They means make I give you my key.
Hey,
my brother.
Take it out from my side. Don't they tell me rubbish.
Oya Gary, neighbor, Oya give me Gary, neighbor.
Guys, no matter what they do in this country, pray make Nigeria not happen to you, because if Nigeria happen to you, now that time we go understand all these fights and protests where people that there they do. When shall only God fix us for this country? Oh my guys, thank you guys for staying to the end, and I really appreciate you guys for all your support. And I believe you guys enjoyed this beautiful skit. Please don't forget to like comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video, you get notification, guys. Let's just call it a day. See you next time. Peace out.